Modern scientists have been able to find out which things in food our bodies need and how much of each of these things we need to be healthy. In other words, it isn't enough to just eat. We must eat right so we can work properly. Our bodies, and indeed all living things, are made up of cells, and the right kinds of food helps the parts of each cell to do its job so they can all work together well and help keep out disease and other things that can go wrong with us. Foods are made of combinations of chemicals, and there are many different kinds of foods. Protein foods, such as milk, eggs, cheese, meat, and fish, contain large quantities of the kind of material the body needs to build cells. The body cannot make new cells without protein. Carbohydrates are foods which have a large quantity of starch or sugar, such as potatoes, flour, rice, and sugar. They are important to the body because they keep it warm and give it energy. And almost all foods also have some fat, and fat is the most concentrated energy-giving food the body uses. Mostly animal products have fat, fruits and vegetables usually don't. The human body is made up of molecules of human protein, and they are usually arranged in a special kind of way. So the body must break down the molecules of butter, flour, fish, fruits, and so on into their elements. Then human proteins, fats, and starches must be built up from them. The process of digestion is quite complicated. It begins in the mouth with the saliva, which helps break down starches. It then continues in the stomach, where most of the process of digestion takes place. Here, juices from the stomach wall are mixed with the food to break it down and transform it further. The food, now in liquid form, then goes into the small intestine. The breakdown of proteins is completed here. Fats are split into their finer parts, and starch digestion is also completed here. As the digested material passes over the surface of the small intestine, it is absorbed into the blood and lymph. In this way, nourishment reaches all the cells of the body.